Friends, today we shall talk about Fissure of Anus. The purpose of knowledge shared here is only educational and to increase awareness. Please always consult your family doctor before using any medicine. Self-treatment may always be injurious. Fissure of anus is a very painful condition. If someone is suffering from such trouble in your own family, give one of the medicines which is most similar to the symptoms of your patient without delay. Afterwards, consult your doctor. Our prompt action and timely administration of the right homeopathic medicine may give quick relief and prevent a lot of complications. Here are indications of some homeopathic medicines which should be in our first aid box of medicines. Chamomilla vulgaris. Chamomilla patients are sensitive, irritable, thirsty, hot and numb. Pains unendurable, associated with numbness. Hemorrhoids with painful fissures. Diarrhea from cold, from anger, from chagrin. Stools corroding the anus. Nightly diarrhea with frequent small discharges and colic. Hard diarrheic stools smelling like rotten eggs. Floricum acidum. Forgetfulness of dates and of his common employment. Stomach symptoms relieved by tight clothes. Desire for highly seasoned food. Craves cold water. Hungry. Warm drinks produce diarrhea. Protrusion of the anus during an evacuation. Itching within and around the anus in the perineum, especially in the evening. Graphites. Anus is extremely sore. Stools covered with mucus. No tenesmus or constriction. Constipation. Stool remains long in the rectum with no urging. Excoriation of anus. Must rub anus until raw. Hemorrhoids are aggravated from wiping after stool. Burning pain in the fissure. Patients who are rather stout, of fair complexion, with tendency to skin affections and constipation, fat, chilly and costive, with delayed menstrual history, take cold easily. Medicine nitricum acidum. Fissure with a sensation as if splinters or sticks were in the anus, much tenesmus and constriction, violent cutting pains after stools, lasting for hours, bowels constipated with fissure in rectum. Medicine Peonia officinalis. Fissures with a great deal of oozing. The anus is moist, sore and smarting all the time. Hemorrhoids, fissures, ulceration of anus and perineum, purple covered with crusts, atrocious pains with and after each stool. Medicine Rattenhea peruviana. Where there is a great deal of constriction, anus aches and burns for hours after stool, temporarily relieved by cold water, violent hiccup, cracked nipples, pinworms, rectum aches as if full of broken glass. Medicine Sepia officinalis. Great indifference even to one's family. Discharge of blood with the stool. Prolapsus any during stool. Pain in the rectum as from contraction, feels cold even in warm room. Constipation, large hard stools, feeling of a ball in rectum, cannot strain with great tenesmus and pains shooting upward. Soft stool difficult. Prolapsus any, almost constant oozing from anus. Pains shoot up in rectum and vagina. Medicine Silesia terra. When the characteristic irritability of the sphincter is present and the stool slips back when partially expelled, intolerance of alcoholic stimulants, rectum feels paralyzed, fistula in ano, fissures and hemorrhoids, painful with spasm of sphincter, stool comes down with difficulty, when partly expelled recedes again, great straining, rectum stings, closes upon stool, feces remain for a long time in the rectum, constipation always before and during menses, with irritable sphincter any. Medicine Thuja accidentalis. Offensive perspiration at the anus and in the perineum. Painful constriction of the anus during the stool. Hemorrhoidal tumors swollen, paining worse while sitting. Psychotic excrescences at the anus in the morning after breakfast or in the morning periodically returning diarrhea, always at the same hour. Rapid exhaustion and emaciation, left-sided and chilly medicine. If you find information provided useful, then please subscribe to the channel, like and share the video and press the bell icon so that you may get information about the next video. Homeopathy, safer and superior medicine. Use homeopathy, stay healthy and improve your immunity. होम्योपैथी अपनाएं, स्वस्थ रहें, अपनी रोग निरोधक शक्ति बढ़ाएं. Healthy people, prosperous nation. स्वस्थ जन, समृद्ध राष्ट्र. A good guideline to remember is homeopathy as the general rule, allopathy as a last resort. If the proof of the pudding is in eating, it is impossible to deny that like cures like. Thanks for watching the video.